युती संदर्भात सद्याक तरी कांय विचार ना। 40 सिटां खातीर काँग्रेसीन काम सुरू केलां। तशेंच आपली प्रदेशाध्यक्ष बदलपाक न्हय तर वेंचणुकेची तयारी करपाक निवडणूक जाल्या म्हूण पी चिदंबरम हांच्यांनी म्हळां। RDXGOA खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।
My initial assessment is that the political atmosphere is extremely favorable to the Congress party. By all accounts, including accounts which I read in the media, there is an expectation that there will be a change in government and a new government led by the Congress party will be formed after the elections. If that is the expectation of the people of Goa, I want to assure the people of Goa that we will not disappoint you. We will get the party ready for elections, and we will present to the people of Goa a set of candidates who will be loyal, faithful to the ideology, hard-working, and will serve the interests of the people of Goa. I'm absolutely certain that we will find many more candidates than we can accommodate who will fulfill these qualities and fulfill the aspirations of the people of Goa. You should believe in Congress party because Congress party can give you good governance. Congress party can lift thousands or lakhs of people out of poverty. Congress party will promote industrialization. Congress party will give jobs to our youth. Congress party will preserve the environment. So that is why you must believe in the Congress party. Every election related decision will be taken in consultation with the active members of every block or constituency.
So when will the names of candidates be announced? Like how many months in advance?
It cannot be months in advance. There are pros and cons of doing that, but on balance it cannot be months in advance. But I agree with the general sentiment. It should be announced sufficiently early to give the candidate enough time to campaign. That part I entirely agree, and all my colleagues agree.
17 MLA. The state Congress could not able to form the government with these parties which are trying to alliance with the Congress now. So what steps will you take now?
No. As I said, alliances, when the talk opens, the option is open. We will see at that time. At the moment, our task is to get 40 candidates battle ready for election.